Every society on the planet has a version of the reciprocity effect. So when a person is given a gift by another, that person must repay the favour by also giving them a gift back. A study showed that the reciprocity effect is at play in restaurants around the world. They give you free bread, they also give you free entrees, so you will tip more highly when you end your meal. They found that tips went up by 3% when diners were given an after-dinner mint. The tips then went up to 20% if, while delivering the mint, the waiter paused, looked at the customers in the eye, and then gave them a second mint while telling them that the extra mint was especially for them. A second study found that giving a small gift, usually candy, whilst being asked for donations will actually make it far more likely for someone to not only donate but also donate more highly. 11% of people that were given a small gift were willing to give away a day's salary to a selected charity, whereas only 5% were willing to do so if they weren't given the gift at all. So what can we learn from this for your business? Well, giving your customers a freebie at the beginning of your relationship can simply just help them warm to your brand and to your business. This essentially making it more likely that they will become customers later on down the line. Another great way to create this feeling is by creating an attractive two-sided referral program. This is where both parties receive gifts and everyone gains something as they generate more awareness for your brand and company. Uber do this fantastically well, both giving the referrer and the referred a massive discount on their next Uber ride simply by just referring the new person to the app. Finally, provide your customers unexpected small gifts, also known as delighters. Provide things like free samples, free complimentary products that are based on what they've already bought before, and even just a little handwritten letter just to basically delight them and bring joy to their day. This is going to really help you stand out in the marketplace, and also it's going to give you a significant advantage in the marketplace when going up against competitors who are just doing the bare minimum for their customers. If you want more incredible neuromarketing tips and tricks that you can use to, grow your brand and get more business, then feel free to click the link in the description where you can literally get 29 more of these incredible methods to help you grow your business and take it to the next level. You can start a 30-day free trial right now, which gives you instant access into not only that, but also the most powerful strategic branding program on the entire planet. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you like it, and I will see you again in the next video. Take care, guys.